Hey guys, this is Nick with Meyer Vacation Rentals. I'm here at the Colonnades. I got a work order here on my new Breezeway app for broken glass. Not a continuous problem, but it happens. People have accidents, coffee tables, end tables, they get knocked over and broken accidentally. So we're going to show you what we do to clean it up. Used to be we were pretty inconsistent. We would assign somebody to go clean the glass up, and different people did things differently. And our safety committee said, hey, let's see what we can come up with to be a little more consistent. So all the vehicles, we made up what we call a glass kit. So each vehicle has a kit. This nice bright orange box. You can see here on the side it says, if open, turn in at the end of the shift, because if you open this box you're going to be using something, we're going to give you a fresh box. You can see it's labeled glass kit. So we're going to go inside and see what we got going.